welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I want to introduce you guys to a new brand. So the name of this brand is Glam, and y'all, this is so pretty and so big too. So again, the name of the company is Glam, and I received their nail extension gel kit. So this is, I believe, a polygel kit. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a sneak peek, which I haven't even looked at it myself just yet. So that is what it looked like. So it says hello gorgeous. Oh, that is so pretty, y'all. It's so cute, y'all, and y'all know pink is my favorite color, so it's absolutely beautiful. And then not only that, but I also got two of their transfer foil kits, and it comes with two glues, y'all, and they're like the big bottle, not the little baby ones, the big ones. So I'm super excited to try them out. We have one that's flowers, and then the other one is like different animal prints, but mainly like cheetah print, which is my favorite as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. But again, that is To Be Glammed. I will have a link and a promo code for them, so I'll be sure to leave that information down below. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alrighty, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this is what the kit looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it right up. Oh, that is so pretty. So so far I can see that we have 6 different polygels. We have 3 glittery ones, 2 solid colors. This one say pure. I don't know if it may be clear, maybe a white, I'm not sure, but we'll find out in a bit. We have the hand file, we have the little brush and picker, a base coat, a top coat, a mini UV light, and the little dual forms. So for one, I love the packaging. This is so pretty, y'all. Like this light pink, this super light pink is super pretty. It just looks so nice and clean. Like the whole thing, the whole kit just looks so nice and clean. So I am gonna just be swatching these polygels, and then I am gonna be trying out the transfer foils, which here's a closer look. So this one at the top is the one with the animal print, and then this one right here is the different flower transfer foils. And then you guys see that it comes with 2 of the transfer foil glues. Alrighty, y'all, so I'm gonna go in with the polygel in the color Just in Pink, and I'm gonna do that on all of my nails. So I make sure that I pick the correct dual form. I placed the polygel right on the dual form, so I just squeezed it out, and then with my brush I'm just patting it out, and I am dipping my brush into alcohol. That way it just goes on really nice and smooth. After that, I place it right over the top of the nail, just hold it down, and then brush the bottom to where it's super smooth. And then after that, just wipe away any of that product that kind of squeezed out on the sides. And then after that, we cure for 60 seconds. And y'all, whenever I took that dual form, I was amazed at how good it looked. Like the color is just beautiful. And then as always, you really don't have to do much filing with polygel other than just shaping it up. But even then, it shapes like super easily, or like it files super easily and fast.
So y'all, look at how good it looks, like that color, the shape, like everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that on all of the nails. So same thing, make sure that the dual form fits exactly from sidewall to sidewall. Squeeze the polygel right onto the dual form, pat it out, and make sure that whenever you're patting your polygel that your brush is kind of damp with the alcohol. That way you're able to like pat it out really good. After that, just place it on the nail, kind of hold it down as you're brushing the bottom, and then after that just wipe away any of that product that kind of got out on the sides, and then cure for 60 seconds. Same thing for all of them, and then whenever you take it off, you kind of just pinch the dual form and it pops right off. That's what it looked like. So super, super smooth. Just going in and shaping it up. And again, whenever you shape polygel, it shapes, like it files super fast. So you don't have to do much at all, y'all. I was literally amazed, y'all. Like I couldn't stop going. Like I was like, okay, I gotta do all of them. So same thing. Like it's literally the same step over and over again, y'all. And when I tell you this is so easy, like this brand is so easy to use, because usually I have a hard time whenever it comes to polygels, but y'all, they look so good. Like I was just like, y'all, like I was in disbelief that I did that good. Like it was just so freaking easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that on all of the nails, and then I am gonna go in and use the little transfer foils that we received as well. Alrighty, y'all. So this is what it looked like after we applied the polygel on all of the nails. So they are super smooth, no bumps or lumps or anything. We have a nice little thickness. So now I'm just gonna go in and shape the rest of them up. Again, y'all, be careful when you're shaping them, because it definitely does not take much at all to get the shape that you want. I just left them like that tapered shape, which is literally the most perfect shape that I could have ever asked for. Like it looks so good, y'all, and I didn't even have to do that much. And then after this, I'm gonna go in with my e-file. Now I really didn't have to do much filing. I just wanted to get the cuticle area a little bit neater, so I'm literally just going in there and just filing around the cuticle area just a tiny bit. But other than that, we could have just did the foil right on top of it with no problem at all. And then the pinky and the index finger, I did have like, it was a little too thick or like underneath the nail, so I just followed that a little bit. But this is what they look like, y'all. Definitely flawless. It had me considering whether I want to start doing polygel on my nails. Like that's how easy it was. And y'all, I think I just might, I don't know. So again, that was the color Just in Pink. Such a beautiful color. I am absolutely in love, and by now you guys are probably tired of me just praising it, but y'all, like, just look how good it looked, and it was not hard at all. But anyways, now I'm gonna go in with the transfer foil. So I received the flower ones, which are the ones that I'm gonna be using, and then I also received the different animal print ones, but I want the pink to still kind of show through, and since those are all like a full coverage, I'm not gonna use those. I'm gonna go ahead and just use the flowers, since they're like see-through and you're still gonna be able to see that pink underneath. So I'm just going in with the transfer glue, just applying that over all of the nails, and then I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna come in and do the transfer foil. And the glue definitely works really good. and you will see as soon as I start using it. But that's the little transfer foil that I'm gonna use. So it's just roses with little dots, and of course, you know, it's see-through, so you can still see the pink underneath. So just place the transfer foil over the top of the nail, rub it really good, and then after that just rip it off and you have a nice little transfer foil look. So same thing for all of them. The key is really to just making sure that you apply the glue throughout the entire nail, and then whenever you place the foil, that you rub it really good. That way the foil transfers right over to your nail. So after I finish doing the transfer foil on all of them, I'm going to go in with the top coat, and I'm just going to apply that on all of the nails, and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out so pretty, and everything was definitely super easy to use, so I definitely recommend. And before I let you guys go, I want to let y'all know that I am doing a giveaway. So I will be giving away 2 of these sets to 2 lucky winners. So all you have to do is just follow these rules. So you must be subscribed to my channel and have your notifications turned on. Make sure that you follow To Be Glam on Instagram and Facebook. Share this video on your favorite platform, and then comment done underneath this video with your email address. That way, if you're the lucky winner, I can contact you via email. So as always, good luck to everyone, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at GetNo32, and I will see you guys next time.